You hear about these atrocities.
What's up people, my name's Pete and this is a Pilot 520 rebuild, the Hooligan. This one is a little bit different. We made a fiberglass front hatch, deck hatch from scratch, using out kitchen doors and plasticine. We had a slight problem, camera's been playing up again, so I actually missed the laying up of the fiberglass, but we've got everything else, putting the mould together, the actual gel coat. So we'll see how it goes, and this is it. So people, something a bit different today. When we got the Hooligan, well, we won't call the Hooligan then when we got it, but now called the Hooligan, the front deck hatch was missing altogether. We didn't have one, and there's still not one on it, so I think we'll have a go at making one, fiberglass. I've been told that if you use melamine as a mould, it doesn't stick, so we'll see. So today, first thing this morning while I was out working at 5:30, I just conveniently drove past the skip, and what do we have in the skip? Some melamine. There's a couple of doors and a couple of side panels, so I think we'll use one of the doors and we'll see how it goes. I've took the sizes already, so what I'm going to do, we're going a little bit oversized, so it's 20 inch by 14, 2.5 inch deep. We're going slightly over. So there are the sizes. We're going to use a piece of ply inside the mould just to strengthen it up, and we'll see how it goes. So first of all, I'm just going to set to and slice some of this up, and I'll get back to you. Right, here we go. 5 minutes later, everything's trimmed out. I'm just going to screw this together now, and I'll get back to you. Clean up with some acetone, grease it up, wax it up, but we have to fill the joint in along here with modelling clay, e.g. plasticine, before we start. And that'll give us a rounded radius on the corner. So I'll get back to you in 5 minutes when I've screwed it up. Right, here we go, mould's made up, all screwed together. I've acetoned it off. Now this seems to be the hardest bit I've had to come across, where we're actually filling the joint in using modelling clay, plasticine, Kiddie's plasticine, and one of these little tools, and it gives you a radius in the corner. Like that. So the idea is, as you know, well, I don't know whether you do know, fiberglass does not want to go around the square corner. So we'll just dust that off, and I'll carry on. When it's all done, I'll come back to you again. As it is, it's going to take me about 20 minutes, half an hour I should imagine, to do this. But it will give us a radius when it pops out at mould, hopefully. Right, here we go. We're all plasticined up. A bit of car polish here, wax polish. We're just going to wax it all now. Then we'll buff it off. Get a bit more. So this is, I'm using turtle wax. I don't know whether there's a preference to what you can use, but we'll see how it goes. Right, we'll just puff this up now, and we're ready to go. New buffing cloth. Right, that's our mould, all acetoned up, filled in with plasticine radiuses, and then we've put 2 coats of turtle wax on and buffed it up. So the next job is to mix some gel coat up and cut some matting up and wait for gel coat to go off and be tacky, and then we can get on with it. I'll get back to you when we put the gel coat on. Right, we've got the gel coat mixed up. Let's get some into mould. Get that dirty. It's very thick, and I've been told to brush it upwards when we're putting it on the sides. Whether that makes any difference, I don't know. It's very, very thick stuff. As you can see, it's covering. Cheap brush, one of them, use, throw away. Use it once, throw away. So get plenty on. Up for a bottom, we're told. What difference that makes, I don't know. So it just seems to hang there. I've been told not to use thickening on too much, you get some crazing. Call it crocodile or alligator skin or something. Anyway, I'll get back to you when we've done it. Right people, day after. Let's see how it's turned out. 4 layers of matting, gel coat, 3 chop strand matting, 1 just woven, plenty of resin, and this is what we're left with. So what we're going to do now is trim off the edge, the waste, and from there see if it'll pop out. So there we go. Let's unscrew it and see what we're left with. Hopefully this should come apart. Let's do the sides. Right, the moment of truth. Does fiberglass stick to melamine? Let's find out. Let's come off okay. Persuasion there. Let's come off okay. And that. Just a bit of persuasion here. That bit there sticking. Come off. Now the moment of truth. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Get a cut and wipe that off. as we see, it's come out quite well really. Better than I expected. It's released really well. I'm trying to work out last night. I know it's time. I worked out last night I've actually used about £4 worth of resin, that's all. So we'll get it proper cleaned up. I think we can say that that's a success. But you're still getting this off. Might wait till it cools down a bit. Easy to get off. You know, just smearing plasticine all over the place. So that's the hatch. That's a sturdy. Well, now we're going to try it on the boat, shall we? Perfect. That's where it's going on. There we go. Hatch. Can't complain at that, more than happy. We've got a couple of stainless hinges and a stainless catch for the front, get it cleaned up, happy days. Right people, that's the end of that one. That was just a one-off. In a future date I think we're going to try and make a fly bridge for it, so we'll see how we go. Well, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like and subscribe, that'd be great. The next one, a little bit different again. This was a precursor to the moulder we've been building for the last couple of afternoons. Recently, just round the corner, they've ripped a kitchen out. So I collected a pull of melamine and we've actually put a mould together for a new fly bridge for the pilot. We haven't laid it up or anything, it's just been put together. So the next video will actually be the layup and showing how we put the mould together. Anyway, bye for now.